I'm about to repair this surfboard. It is cracked in the nose after an incident. I'm going to grind around this thing. I'm going to sand away the damaged fiberglass and remove all the loose parts. I'm sanding by hand and then I use a knife to cut away the damaged fiberglass. I'm cutting carefully next to the stringer. I'm cutting a little bit deeper to get all the loose fiberglass away. I'm mixing a 2-component filler thoroughly. I'm putting the filler on the ding. I am applying the filler evenly. I'm waiting to the next day that the filler cures. I'm sanding first with the machine. Then I do it by hand. First I use Corro's sandpaper. I mix the resin. Now it's time to apply the fiberglass. I'm starting with some polyester resin and I apply some fiberglass patches that I prepared in advance. I've used many small round patches. The whole ding needs to be covered with polyester resin and fiberglass. After the resin is cured, it's time to sand the patch. I check that the patch is smooth. When the patch is sanded smooth, it's time to apply the top coat. When the top coat is cured, it's time to water sand the ding. I start with 400. Then I go to 600. 800. 1200. Then it's time to polish the patch. After polishing, I use a little bit wax. Now it's smooth and it looks quite good, and it is watertight. It will be a lot of surf with this board in the future. Thank you for watching.